So welcome back to the next class. In this class, I'm going to show you how to install a plugin on your blog and also the recommended plugins that you need to install right now to get you up to speed. Okay, now like I showed you earlier, to install a theme, just go through the menu here, appearance and theme. But on plugin, just go down. The plugin menu is showing here. Just click on plugin. Once you click on it, just go to add new plugins. Once you click on add new plugins, it will take you to the default marketplace where you can see a lot of plugins to add. Don't get confused and start adding any plugin that you see here. Some of them can harm your site, some of them can boost your site, some of them can conflict with each other. So it's best that you know which plugin you need and how compatible it is with your current version of website. Let's say, for instance, the classic editor. This is a default WordPress plugin, but it have not been updated for 11 months now. So installing this particular plugin is at your own risk because it might not be compatible with the latest version of WordPress. So is one of the things you need to look at for when installing a plugin is to check the compatibility. Make sure that it's compatible with the version of WordPress that you have installed. Okay, now to install a plugin that is not in the database in the marketplace. To install a plugin that's in the marketplace, all you just click on install and it will install it. But to install a plugin that is not in the marketplace, just click on upload, the same way that we did for themes. After getting the plugins downloaded in your system, just click on upload and you click on install. Choose the file and install now. Now most of these plugins are on automatic update, so once you install it the first time, you don't need to be installing uploading it again over again. It should just be automatically updated by itself. So the first thing, the only work you should do is the first time you are installing them, you're updating them. Some of them are in the WordPress marketplace. You just need to put in your license key to activate them. So let's just install one. For instance, let's install this Advertisement spam protection. Now this particular plugin is important and is free. What it does is that it protects your comment section from bots, from spammers. So any comment that looks spammy, this plugin will stop it from being published. It will put it in a particular folder and alert you that there's a particular comment that doesn't look so good, so you can review it and decide whether to activate it to allow it go live on your blog. So it's very important as a blogger to have this Advertisement spam protection. So once you click on install, it will install and this activate button will start showing. So click on activate. Once you click on activate, the plugin will be activated. It will tell you to set up and other stuff. So that's just it. Say activate your Advertisement account. So you have to create an account with Advertisement. It's free. Create an account. You can also go for the paid version, but by default it's free. You can use the free version and still be secured. Now let's look at the recommended plugins for a good professional blog. I listed few of them. There are still more, but these ones will get you up and running. There's a list of recommended plugins for your blog. Now for your SEO, I recommend there are two. We have more plugins. For example, yours is a good SEO plugin, but is limited. The free version is limited, and also the paid version is a bit expensive. So but these two here, their free version, their free version is fully packed, and also their paid version is cheaper and it has a lot of features as well. So either you go for rank math SEO or you go for all-in-one SEO. What it means is all-in-one SEO plugin. So any of this is good for your SEO. For your advertisement, if you want to place adverts on your website, for example AdSense, or you want to accept direct adverts on your blog, then advanced ad is a way to go, or AdSanity. Any of these two will serve you very well. Then for affiliate marketing, if you make money from your blog with affiliate marketing, then these two plugins is what you need. don't just install any of the SEO affiliate or prettier links. What this does is that you save your affiliate link on your blog, and you can easily insert it into any you can easily insert it in any link, any post link that you've published. Okay, once you publish a link, just you can easily insert it there. You don't need to be adding your copying and pasting affiliate link from individually again. You just need to save it to one place, and from that particular place you can install it. You can add it anywhere you want on your blog post. Is the premium version is very, very good. What the premium version does is that it will read your content and insert affiliate links in the keywords. It will dictate keywords that are related to that particular your affiliate link, and insert your affiliate link into it, so to make you more money. This way you don't need to manually look for keywords that are related to insert your affiliate link. It just automatically does it for you, so that once people click on it, your cookie will register and you start making money with your affiliate links. The same thing with paid links. So if you want, the next plugin is membership. If your site is a membership site, for example, your site, you have a premium subscriber based site whereby people need to subscribe to read your content, then these plugins are what you need to install. Any of them, check any of them and decide on which one is good for you. But the three of them are very, very good. They will work very well for you. Select any of them, and everything is just automatically set. Then the next plugin here is the marketing or lead generation or newsletter. Now, if you want to be sending emails to your subscribers, or you want people to subscribe when they read your blog, you can use any of these plugins. Install it on your They are not free. Some of them are free. You install it on your blog, and anybody that subscribe, anytime you upload a new content, the plugin will send an email to the person. And also, you can also send a customized email that is not that outside your blog post. You can send a customized email to your subscribers. Okay, this is another way of doing email marketing. These plugins are very good. They will help you do that. Then the next plugin here is the translation, global translation, the digital translation. This plugin, what it does, it will translate all your sites in different languages. Now, by default, your default language might be English, so your site will be present. Once anybody visits your site, the plugin will detect the language the person have saved in their browser, their country location, if it's China, if it's any particular location they are in. The plugin will dictate where the person is coming from and the language the person is speaking, and it will translate your site to be in the language of the person. So you don't need to do any work on your own. The plugin will just do its work for you. And this plugin is hosted by Google, so it's very, very good for live chat. If you want to be able to interact with your audience on live on your site, you can use this plugin and it will do that. Then for optimization, if you want your site to be very fast, to optimize your site to load very fast and improve your SEO or other stuff, this is the plugin to go for. Lightspeed Cache this is the recommended plugins I've listed here. There are still more, but these ones will get you up and running. And if you need a specific feature, you don't know which plugin to go for, just leave a comment in the section, or write a comment, say it on the group chat, and I will do my best to direct you to the right plugin to use. Don't just use any plugin, so that you don't start doing a lot of test and error and losing customers along the way. So I will do this research for you, make sure I get the best of these tools, and then give it to you that you use it and start seeing results. Okay, with that being said, let's go to the next class. I think the next class should be about monetization of your blog, how to write your content, and also how to make money with your blog. We are getting to the last session of this training. I believe you're getting value. If you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you have not invited anyone, please invite someone. It's good that someone learns these things. Someone might, like, their life might be changed just by learning this free training. That's why I gave it out for free. Okay, most people are charging for it. So although I have a premium class where I go in depth, I teach you, I take you by hand and show you detailed step by step every single thing, every single information in detail. I show you how things are works and how to make money immediately with your blog. You don't need to wait for years to start making money with your blog. You can start making money with your blog the same week that you publish it. So that's what the premium version of this training will teach you. Okay, with that being said, let's jump right into the next training and wrap up this free training. See you.